Here I have REALME C25Y, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and here you have to find phone ringtone. You can select one of these pre-installed ringtones. You can add your own ringtone by selecting audio file from your phone's memory, or you can just set none and have your device like without any music ringtone. Let's select, for example, this one. We can also listen to some of these pre-installed ringtones. But this one is the best. And that's how you can change your ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.